everyone. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 skincare mistakes most people make and how to fix them. These are simple changes, but they can transform your skin. So make sure you watch till the end. Welcome to this Skin and Wellness. I'm a certified esthetician and a health worker. In this channel, I'm going to be sharing with us tips that will help us to skincare tips, solutions, and wellness to help us gain our confidence and to also help us grow. So if you love all this skincare, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification button, and like. So now let's dive into the 5 skincare mistakes most people make. The first one on my list is not using sunscreen daily. A lot of us, we are so guilty of this. I myself, before I started this skincare journey, I don't use sunscreen. Like, even when I'm at home, I just feel, what is the need of me using sunscreen? But trust me, there are UV rays that actually come into your room. Do you get? So not using sunscreen daily also has its own risks on our skin. It makes our skin looks aging. Do you get? So it is very compulsory. Either you are going out or at home, you need your sunscreen. Now, mistake number 2, over exfoliating. Most people, they feel if they exfoliate daily it helps their skin to glow. No, you are damaging your skin barrier. It is important to exfoliate 2 to 3 times in a week. But exfoliating can damage your skin barrier. It also lose the hydration on your skin. So if you exfoliate daily, you are damaging your skin barrier. So it is better for you to exfoliate 2 to 3 times in a week. Now, mistake number 3, using the wrong product for your skin type. A lot of people, I mean a lot of people, they are on this table. You are using trendy products. Oh, you want to feel among, oh, someone is using this. Your skin types are different. You need to know this. That is why it is very, very better. It is very compulsory for you to ask certified person, like an esthetician, a dermatologist, to know your skin type, to know your skin concerns before you start using products. You don't have to follow trend every day. A lot of people are guilty on this. You don't have to follow trend. You don't have to use something because a particular person is using it and it's working for them. Your skin, you are damaging your skin barrier. You can't have that skin you need. Do you understand? That is why most times, if someone introduces you to use this thing or you see a trendy product, you rush to get it. And whenever you start using it, you start reacting to the product, and a lot of things start happening. It is not the product, it is on you. You are following the trend. You are not using the right product for yourself. Do you understand? 4, skipping moisturizer. Especially people that have oily skin, they love skipping moisturizer. Why are you skipping your moisturizer? You need your moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, your skin still needs to hydrate. You still need to hydrate your skin. So even if you are scared of, oh, I don't want to use moisturizer, stuff like that, you need a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. So if you are going for moisturizer, don't go for the don't go for the trendy one. Just go the one that it is for your skin type. Do you understand? So even if you have oily skin, whatever your skin type may be, you need to hydrate you need to hydrate your skin. You need moisturizer. A healthy skin is because of hydration. Do you understand? An healthy skin is because of the hydration. Whenever you see an healthy skin, it's because their skin is well hydrated. So don't make that number 5, not removing your makeup properly. It causes a lot of breakouts on your face. There are a lot of people on this table also. You feel, if you some people, they even use their makeup to sleep. Like, why are you doing this to your skin? You don't need to use your makeup to sleep. You need to clean it properly, tone your skin. That is why toner is needed. Toner helps to remove dirt that come off when you are washing it. So that is the essence of a toner. And don't just go and use any toner, please. Don't just go and get any toner. So you need, if you don't clean out your makeup well, it clog your pores. Yes, it clog your pores and causes a lot of breakouts. So please always, if you are the type that you're always on makeup, please always take off your makeup. Always make sure that it is properly clean. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find them helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share to your friends and loved ones. They may also like want to benefit from it. And also, if you have any question, please drop them in the comment section and I'm going to answer them. See you in my next video. Bye.